Looking for the best nail gun for your next project? You've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to break down the top nail guns available right now, comparing them on everything from price and performance to features and durability. We've got a great mix for both seasoned pros and dedicated DIYers. Before we jump in, just a heads up that we've included links in the description below for every single product we mention. So, if something catches your eye, you can easily check out the latest pricing and see if it fits your budget. Alright, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 1, we have the Wen 61720 brad nailer. This is an 18-gauge nailer that handles brads from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 2 inches. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly light it is. Thanks to its aluminum frame, it weighs just 3 pounds, and the rubberized grip makes it feel even lighter and super comfortable in your hand. This thing is built to work all day on any job site. It operates on air pressure from 60 to 100 psi, giving you plenty of power for various materials. The magazine holds up to 100 brads at a time, so you can work longer without reloading. And if you do get a jam, no problem. It has a quick-release mechanism that gets you back to work in seconds. When even throws in a custom-made carrying case, adjustment wrenches and oil, all covered by a solid 1-year warranty. It's an amazing value package to start us off. Coming in at number 2 is the super versatile Stanley TR250 Sharpshooter Plus. This isn't just a nail gun. It's a multi-tool that functions as a brad nailer, a staple gun, and even a cable tacker. It's designed for serious work, with an all-metal drive channel that ensures better penetration than many other models on the market. The heavy-duty aluminum housing gives it incredible durability while keeping it lightweight. One of its standout features is the high-low power lever. This allows you to easily adjust the driving force for both hard and soft materials, preventing damage and ensuring a perfect finish every time. Need to get into tight corners? The flush nose design is a lifesaver, letting you staple or nail in spots other guns just can't reach. It uses T50 heavy-duty staples and handles brad nails from 1/2 inch up to 5/8 of an inch. And the best part, it comes with a limited lifetime warranty. At our number 3 spot, we have a real powerhouse, the NuMax SFR 219021° framing nailer. If your work involves framing, fencing, or sheathing roofs and walls, this is the tool you need. It's constructed from decast magnesium, which makes it both surprisingly lightweight and incredibly durable. It feels much more premium than its price tag suggests. Versatility is where the NuMax truly shines. It comes with interchangeable triggers, so you can switch between single-shot precision and rapid contact firing. The Nomar tip protects your work surfaces from scuffs and dents, and the 360-degree adjustable exhaust directs air away from you and your project. It drives 21-degree nails from 2 to 3.5 inches long. With so many customizable features, it's a favorite among both professionals and dedicated DIYers. Just pair it with a decent air compressor, and you're ready for any heavy-duty job. Moving on to number 4, let's look at the Hitachi NT65MA4 15-gauge angled finish nailer. Now known as Metabo HPT, this tool continues the brand's legacy of quality. This finish nailer is perfect for detailed work like installing crown molding, baseboards, window and door casings, and cabinetry. The aluminum housing keeps it light and easy to handle for long periods. It's packed with user-friendly features. A clear nose makes it easy to extract any jammed nails, and you can switch between sequential and contact nailing modes on the fly. The tool-free depth of drive dial lets you precisely control how deep the nail is set, ensuring a flawless finish. But that's not all. It has a built-in air duster to clear debris from your workspace, which is a fantastic touch. Hitachi also includes safety glasses and a NuMax tip to protect both you and your project. It's a complete, professional-grade package. And finally, rounding out our top 5, we have the DeWalt DWFP 12231 Pneumatic Brad Nailer Kit. DeWalt is a name synonymous with quality, and this tool is no exception. It features a strong yet lightweight magnesium body and a long-life maintenance-free motor that won't stain your work surfaces with oil. This nailer is all about convenience. It has a tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for consistent, repeatable nail setting. If a jam occurs, the tool-free jam release mechanism makes clearing it a breeze. The rear exhaust port is cleverly designed to keep contaminants away from your work area. It drives 18-gauge brads from 5/8 of an inch to 2 inches long with a sequential trigger and holds up to 100 nails. With its non-marring nose tip and comfortable rubber grip, the DeWalt is a joy to use for any finishing task. So there you have it, our top 5 picks for the best nail guns on the market. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a seasoned contractor, there's a tool on this list that's perfect for your needs. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more details on each of these fantastic nailers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more reviews and project guides. We'll see you in the next one.